I will share 3 easy methods to export a video as transparent background. This was the original footage, but I have removed its background. If I want to use the footage again in Premiere Pro, then I will click Export, and in Export settings, I will select Format as QuickTime. I will choose Video Codec as Animation. If I want to export a video or animation without audio, then turn off the toggle button. After that, I will hit the Export button. Please note that to play it on your PC, you should install QuickTime. Now I will share the second method. Click Preset, then select More Presets. Here choose GoPro Cineform RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth and click OK. Now the preset is applied. Therefore, do not change format or codec settings. Transparent video or animation exported through this method will work on most video editing software such as Premiere Pro and Filmora. However, if you want to play a transparent video in most players including Windows, then in presets list, select Animated GIF with transparency. Click OK. All other settings will be automatically applied. Export it and you are all done. You can re-import the video in Premiere Pro. You can use any background behind the transparent footage like this. Please hit like and subscribe button if the tutorial was helpful for you.